Hello, welcome to my channel. I am debashis. I will be covering basic to depth of algorithm with some video and practical problem solving. I will cover the topics such that just you will learn with fun. Let us start with introduction. What is algorithm? Why it is written? When it is written? Who will write the algorithm? Before that, we will enjoy with a video. Okay, let us start the video.
भाग दे 28 में 7 को 13 ला के दिखा तू 13 आएंगे।
अब मैं 7 को देती हूँ 28 में भाग।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
हाँ,
अब 7 से 2 तो भाग होगा नहीं।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
हाँ,
अब मैं देती हूँ 8 में भाग। 7 एकदम
7
8 में से 7 गए। अब ये 2 निकाल ले यहाँ पे 7 दिया। ये देखो सब आ गया आंसर 13।
अच्छा तो 7 को गुणा 13 में करेंगे तो भी 28 आने चाहिए। अगर ये सही है तो गुणा करके दिखा। भाग समझ में ना आया मेरे, गुणा करके दिखा।
अच्छा 13 को गुणा किया मैंने 7 से। 7 दिया
21
7 एक
7
अब इसको जमा करेंगे नीचे 7 और 1 8 और ये ऊपर का आया 2।
जोड़ करके बता। जोड़ 13 अगर तू 7 बार जोड़ेगी ना 13 तो भी 28 आने चाहिए। अगर ये सही है तो जोड़ के दिखा तू।
हाँ 1 13 2 13 3 4 5 6 और ये 7
मैं जोड़ूंगा।
है?
मैं जोड़ूंगा यार।
हाँ।
3 6 9 12 15 18 21
22 23 24 25 26 27 28।
Did you observe? What was the wrong? That funny video? Actually, she didn't follow the algorithm. That's why. Okay, let's start. What is algorithm? Algorithm is common definition, step-by-step procedure to solve the computation problem. Yes, it is step-by-step procedure solving the computational problem. Then what is program? Program is also step-by-step procedure to solving the problem. Then what is the difference between the program and algorithm? Let us take it. Here is the algorithm and here is the program. If you know the software development life cycle, phases of software development, then first difference. If you look the software development life cycle, phases of software development is two important things: design phase and implementing phase. Let me tell you, whatever you construct or manufacture something by engineering procedure, then first step design phase. Make your design perfect so that you can understand what is going to develop or construct. You can't develop anything or construct on trial and error basis. Like you construct something, again you think, oh, it is wrong, then destroy. But it is easy to software engineer. Like software engineer can write a program and change the mind and delete the program, again write the program. That's why we need not to then get proper manufacture. That's why we cannot give too much time to trial and error based program. Don't waste your time by useless program. So point is first you design, then write the program. At the design time, what we write? Same program we write. It's simple English language like statement that is easy to understand and without proper syntax. Even not write on the machine, we write on paper. Even if you using machine, we not use any programming language, only write on MS Word or Notepad. So algorithm is written design time. Program is written as implementing time. What is called who write the algorithm? Programmer can write the algorithm but should have domain knowledge, problem knowledge. He can give idea. One who can understand the problem, also domain knowledge. Suppose you are developing a application like hospital, then doctor or administrative staff can understand system better than programmer. Mostly who is having the knowledge or domain for which the application being developed by them can write the algorithms. The person who is having domain knowledge. Programmer can also have the domain knowledge, but here he is acting as a programmer. What is the language for algorithms? You can use any language like English or mathematical notation. Better use mathematical notation. So any language can be used as long as understand by designer and also programmer. Programmer using programming language like C, C++, Java. You can see here is program on C language. When you write the algorithm, that is not dependent on hardware or operating system. Need not to select hardware or operating system like Linux or Windows, but when you write the program, you have to select the hardware and also operating system. We analyze the algorithm. Are we achieving the result perfectly or not? Or our algorithm efficient or not? In terms of time, of space. Characteristics of an algorithm. Algorithms should be well-defined inputs, well-defined outputs, finiteness, feasible, language independent, clear and unambiguous. The algorithm should be unambiguous. Each of its steps should be clear and in all aspects and must lead to only one meaning. Thank you. Upcoming videos, types of algorithm and complexity of algorithms.